Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. In today's video, we'll cover another sliding finger picking pattern or another sliding chord pattern on the left hand that you can use with any finger picking pattern and can get a very good peaceful sounding melodic phrase. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. The pattern is very simple, so it's very similar to one of the very basic pattern that we have earlier learned. So that's A minor, so where we used to press the second fret of the fifth and fourth string, okay, and we used to play all the strings, right? So that was our A minor. What we are doing in this chord progression is just we are simply taking those two fingers one string below, okay, and so we are basically pressing the fourth string and third string on the second fret, okay, and we are playing just the four bottom strings, okay. The top two strings are really not sounding good with all these with this particular chord progression, okay. So just these four strings, and you can slide this from second fret to fourth fret or sixth fret or 7th fret, okay. In another frets this also works, this also sounds pretty nice, but I would prefer these four to be sticking around. So these are the most beautiful sounding I have, at least to my ears, okay. And now coming to the chord names from the second fret when you are playing, so the notes that are getting played are A, D, E and A, and we can call this as D sus2, okay. On the fourth fret when we play these strings, so the strings are B, E, E, A, the notes are B, E, E, A, and we can call it as E sus4, yep, we can call it as E sus4. And whenever we are playing it as the sixth fret, okay, so it's basically playing C sharp, F sharp, E and A, so we can call it as A6 or F sharp minor 7th, whatever we can call it. And whenever we are playing it as the 7th fret, so that's the simple D, G, E, A notes, and we can call it as A7 sus4, okay. You can play it with any finger picking pattern that we have earlier used and you will get a very good melodic phrase, peaceful melodic phrase. But I have also seen that there is one particular pattern that sounds very well with these chord progressions. So I will come up with a video on that also in few days of time, and then you can play this combined and can let me know how it goes.